So, magbibideo tayo ngayong gabi. So, ang bibideo natin yung papanoorin ko. So, eto na yung papanoorin ko. Teka lang. Ito guys yung papanoorin ko. Ang gulo. Yan. Ito yung papanoorin ko. Sugar Star. Kilala niyo yun, si Sugar Star. Medyo madilim kasi wala pang ano. So, yan guys, naglo-loading pa.
Insular life. Living 9-10 bags! Hi, Pudding. You smell? Pudding smells the smelly smell. That's smelly, the smelly smell. Hey, Sugar Stars. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making even more Miniverse Make It Minis. But this time, we're going to the Miniverse Spa. We'll be making mini soaps, mini bath bombs, and everything you need to have a fun mini bath. And the best part is, these mini soaps and mini bath bombs actually work. I'm really excited to see how they'll turn out. But first, I have to throw a strike with my Hello Kitty bowling pins.
Wait guys, walang signal.
Bowling pins.
Wait guys. Update na lang guys kung tapos na kasi mahaba pa. Hindi kaya. So, tara na. Update ko na kayo. At ito lang ang mga mari. Tapos na ako manood. Pero, ito na yung patapos niya. Voice na lang. Tapos na, guys. Tunog na lang yun. So, bye! Susunod na ulit kasi bukas wala na kami pasok. Yee!